Let's talk about the recently launched ITEL smartphone A05s with stylish design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus water drop notch display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 270 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The phone with 5 megapixel camera on the rear, for selfies. It has 5 megapixel camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 Go edition, screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 1.6 GHz, quad-core, Cortex A55, plus 1.2 GHz, quad-core, Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc SC9863A1 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 4 GB of RAM with 4 GB extended RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated microSD card slot, and the color options: nebula black, meadow green, crystal blue, glorious orange colors to see in this phone. And the device comes backed by a massive 4000 mAh battery, with 5-watt charging support. Additionally, the phone also features rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G LTE, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL A05s has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 19,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ITEL A05s? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.